Minister Amit Shah is on Mamata Banerjee's turf as part of his Power Pack 2-day campaign ahead of the crucial polls. He addressed a mega rally at the Midnapur College ground where 10 opposition leaders joined the BJP in his presence. As part of his farmers' outreach amid the raging protests, Amit Shah had launched a farmer's house. In fact, he had lunch at a farmer's house in Belijuri village, West Bengal, said that he is hopeful of a solution soon. Amit Shah had earlier visited the Siddheshwari and Mahamaya temple, offered prayers. The Home Minister also paid homage to Bengal revolutionary Khudiram Bose. He began his tour by paying tributes to Swami Vivekananda at Ram Krishan Mission.
दीदी कहती है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी दल बदल कराती है। दीदी मैं आपको याद कराने आया हूं, आपकी मूल पार्टी कौन सी है? तृणमूल कांग्रेस थी क्या? जब आप कांग्रेस छोड़कर तृणमूल बनाई तब वो दल बदल नहीं था। आज भाई शुभेंदु अन्याय के खिलाफ, बंगाल की जनता के शोषण के खिलाफ आपका साथ छोड़कर मोदी जी के साथ आ रहे हैं। आपको दल बदल लग रहा है दीदी, मगर दीदी ये तो शुरुआत है। चुनाव आते आते आप अकेली रह जाएगी। चुनाव आते आते जिस प्रकार की सुनामी को मैं बंगाल में देख रहा हूं, मित्रों, इसकी कल्पना शायद ममता दीदी ने नहीं करी होगी। इसका कारण है इतने सारे लोग क्यों पार्टी छोड़कर भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आते हैं? क्योंकि मित्रों, एक आदमी जब दल बदलता है तो काफी सोच विचार कर बदलता है। क्योंकि ये जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो मां माटी मानुष के नारे के साथ निकले थे। नारा किसी भी पार्टी का हो बुरा नहीं होता, मगर आपने क्या करा? मां माटी मानुष के नारे को तोलबाजी, तुष्टीकरण और भतीजावाद में परिवर्तित कर।
Let's quickly cut across to Paulami Saha from Midnapur joining us live. Paulami, you just spoke with the Home Minister Amit Shah. He comes up with a sharp attack against Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, saying that her party has been corrupt. All the funds that were issued, be it the floods or to the farmers, have been eaten up by the TMC middlemen. This is the time that the people of West Bengal want a new leadership, and BJP is what it is.
That's right. The Home Minister has launched a scathing attack against Mamata Banerjee and the state government of West Bengal from the public rally that he just addressed a short while ago at the Midnapur College ground. He has basically said that Mamata Banerjee's time is up, and very shortly, with the kind of defections that are happening from the TMC towards the BJP, Mamata Banerjee will be the lone woman standing in the TMC, he quipped. Now, this is going to be very interesting going forward into the elections, because like we were discussing earlier, this isn't the first or the last trip of Mr. Amit Shah to Battleground Bengal. He will be coming back here every month, as he is pledged to do, in order to raise the pitch ahead of the upcoming elections in this state as well. And obviously, that very clear attack against the nephew as well. Of course, in reference to Abhishek Banerjee, you heard Shubhendu Adhikari refer to him as the Tolabaz Bhaipo as well, when he said Tolabaz Bhaipo Hatao will be a slogan, which is remove this corrupt politician who is the nephew. Bhaipo is nephew when referred to in Bengali. So clearly the target was Abhishek Banerjee, the target was Mamata Banerjee, and clearly the BJP is saying that as far as the battleground is concerned, we're building it, and we will not forget that this state has seen some of the worst political violence in recent times. He of course went on to name one party worker from every district of the BJP, of the state of West Bengal, to say we've lost as many party workers, saying that in the recent months, up until now, the BJP, since it started, pushing for its campaign in Bengal, has lost close to 300 party workers, and it will, of course, ensure that none of their blood has been spilt in vain.
Absolutely, Paulami. Thank you very much for joining us. Paulami, they're tracking Amit Shah's movements in West Bengal as he holds a massive